From content creation to online jobs to affiliate marketing, people are cashing out big time at their own convenience, and you should too. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the things that you need to know about affiliate marketing, platforms where you can sign up as an affiliate, and how to promote their products with ease and with zero money. So let's get started. Turn heads, breaknecks with ads that slay. Hi everyone, it's your media playboy here, girl with the media vibes. And on today's topic on business and marketing, I'm going to be focusing on affiliate marketing. And here's why. I've seen a lot of people asking how they can promote products, if they should sign up for certain affiliate marketing platforms. Platforms that offer affiliate marketing programs, and how they're able to make money with ease. So I'm going to make this video fast and easy for you. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to learn. Now, a lot of people have digital skills, right? And it's very important now that the digital space is taking over most jobs, or tech generally is taking over most jobs. So you need to have a tech or digital skill, whether it's social media marketing, whether it's website creation, user experience, app development, different things, as well as being an affiliate marketer or a content creator. So choose where your passion lies and choose which one you're sure you'll be able to do conveniently. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by selling a product or service belonging to another company or another platform. It has become one of the most lucrative ways of earning money online, because a lot of people may not just want online jobs, they just want a part-time thing that is giving them steady income every month. But the problem here is, how do you stand out from the crowd? There's a lot of competition out there. Different platforms are competitions amongst themselves already. And then people that are already promoting, how can you stand out from those ones that have been doing it for so long? So how do you get people to actually sign up or use your link to purchase the product? First things first. What products are you going to be selling? Who are you going to be selling that to? Who are your customers? Where are your customers, and how do you get their attention? These are the 4 things I'm going to be focusing. So how do you get their attention and make them buy? So first off, what products are you going to be selling? Are you going to be selling products that everybody's selling because they're telling you that it pays and you're going to make a whole lot of money from it? Most people these days just feel like, oh, this thing is paying, why don't I do it as well? And by the time you actually say, okay, let you try it, and it's not paying you, you'll get frustrated. So first things first, you need to sell products that you have passion and interest for. A product that you know that you might become an expert in that niche, right? So it's very important that you first identify what products you have interest for, that on the long run you can continue. The next thing is, who are you going to be selling those products to? Who are your customers? Are they people that like what you like? Are they people that have interest in the things that you have interest in? You need to also identify who they are, what their preferences or interests are, and then know if it will align with you. For example, let's say the product you want to sell is kids items. You need to know that, okay, your customers, are they people that are interested in selling kids stuff at retail prices, or people that are mothers that just give birth and they're looking for kids items? So you need to first identify these certain things. Then the next question you ask yourself is, where are my customers? So you don't just want to be selling to people that you don't even know where they are or where to fish them. So let's say your customers are people that are online. Are they YouTubers? Are they TikTokers? Are they Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat fans? You need to identify which social media platforms your customers belong to and where they spend most of their time is. There's something I always say, fish where the fish are, right? Let's say, for example, you're targeting catfish. You're not going to be searching for catfish where you would normally fish for croaker fish, for example, or those other tiny fishes or those round ones, right? You need to identify which type of fish you want to catch and where exactly is the perfect place to find those kind of fishes. So it's the same thing with your customers. Find where they spend most of their time online, or which platforms they spend most of their time in, and then it's easier for you to now have a direct place where you're going to be marketing. It's not as if you might not still use other platforms to promote the products, but let there be one platform that you're channeling all of your energy into and making sure that you're giving your customers the very best. The next thing is how to get their attention. How do you actually get the attention of your customers? People don't just want to see, come and buy this. People want to see a reason, what value, what importance that product you're promoting is going to be to them, right? Whether it's in their businesses or their personal life. So what value are you going to be giving your customers if they choose to sign up? So how to get their attention? You need to create engaging content. It could be text, it could be image, it could be video content, whatever it is that you know you have the strength for. Make sure that your contents are going to be something that is attention grabbing and something that can convert. Finally, make them buy. What are the things that you're going to do to make the customers or your audience buy? You've already created the content that is going to get their attention and make them click your link to go further to a landing page. So next thing is, how are they going to buy, right? You need to sell value, like I keep saying. You need to sell value. You can even offer them certain things that would encourage them to stay with you, to do word of mouth marketing and tell other people about it. So it's very important that when people are going to use your link to go to the landing page and complete whatever sign up or purchase that they need to, it has to be a smooth process. Now, how to start? First off, choose a niche. You need to find something that you're passionate about and you have interest in. Like I said before, don't just do what other people are doing. Find what you know that you can conveniently do and keep on promoting for a really long time, even when it's not converting immediately, right? And also make sure that you're an expert in that niche. Read everything, study everything about that particular area so that at any point in time where people ask questions, you're able to provide them with answers that are satisfying. The next thing is find the platform. So there's so many platforms that offer affiliate marketing programs. There's Amazon, I think Gmail also does something similar. There's also One Expert. I see a lot of content creators advertise their products and then they always have a unique code, right? There's also ClickBank, there's ExpertNair, there's so many of them. So but whenever you're checking the platform or the platform you want to sign up as an affiliate, you also need to be sure that that platform offers affiliate marketing programs within your country, and also check out for the form of payment so that it's not after you've hustled and made a lot of money and clients for them, you realize that the payment method is not accepted in your own country. So you need to check these two things when you're signing up for the platforms. Next thing, start creating content. Like I said, use text, image, video content to get your audience's attention. Just make sure you can even ask questions, right? Because I notice a lot of times when you ask questions regarding a product or service, people can easily drop comments about their opinions or what they would like, or they would like more info. So it's also good if you can tell success stories, you ask questions, you can use case studies when creating content to promote a particular product from the affiliate marketing company. And sometimes these companies even have their own content already, so you can always just ask them and then you can copy their content. Sometimes it could be an image content, so you can just simply copy that from them and post it on the page, but make sure that you drop your link or you drop your code so people don't just go directly and sign up. If not, you'll probably lose a lot of clients. So that code or that link is very important whenever you are creating the content, and whether you choose to put it on the caption or it's going to be this kind of image ads where when someone clicks the image, it takes them to the landing page. So you can choose what format you want your content to be. The next thing is drive traffic to your page. So once you have been able to create the content, people have clicked your link, it's very important that the link to your landing page or whatever link you're going to be dropping is going to be a trusted link, so people are not scared about their credentials or personal information being shared to people that they don't trust. And it's also very important that the website or the landing page website, whatever it is, right, is also good. There's no issue, because people don't want to click a link and wait longer than 5 seconds and the web page is not opening. So it's very important that you make this transition a very smooth one for your audience or your customers. Moreover, when they get to the landing page, they don't just want to see a whole lot of content on that page, too many information. They want to probably go straight to the point. So it's also very important that you offer something free. It could be a discount, it could be ebook download for a starter guide, something that would encourage them to complete the process or purchase the product. Then the final thing is how to promote these products. So if you're a blogger or a vlogger, you have your own website, or you're a YouTuber, for example, that does vlogs, you can easily promote these products on your page. Make sure to always click paid promotion when you are posting those content on any of the social media pages, because it's important so you don't have issues with that particular social media platform, right? Another way to promote it is through email listing. So you can create email lists, create email campaigns, attract. I made a video about how to create content for email marketing, so you can go back and watch that one. Another method is video marketing, right? So of course, create videos, create how to use it. You can even create like your review. You can do different, you can play around the whole thing, but just create videos, you using the product, the after results, and what you love best about that product, something like that, just to get your audiences to trust you better and be sure that you're actually using what you are selling to them. Another way to promote affiliate marketing products is you could also choose to do outdoor marketing if you have the funds, radio, TV, still part of digital, but these are more of outdoor, right? So you can choose to promote that digital billboard, you can promote these products. And the last way to promote affiliate marketing products is through attending events. So most times I like to attend events, meet people, network with people, sell the products, sell the benefits and the value of the product to them. And it may not be a smooth, quick transaction, but by the time you keep communicating with that person, probably meet them outside and even show them more about that particular product, then you've gained trust. And once you get one or two people to buy from that product from you and trust you, or to complete the registration or sign up of whatever services that might be, it makes it easier for you to start spreading more, and people can easily refer you to other people. This way you're building a brand for yourself. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was really helpful to someone out there. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Until then, go find your asa. Take it from your media playboy.